Hello, kids. Today, we're going to learn about healthy habits that keep us strong and happy. First, let's learn about brushing our teeth. Brushing your teeth twice a day is important to keep them clean and healthy. Brushing your teeth helps remove food particles and plaque, which can prevent cavities and gum disease. It also keeps your breath fresh and your smile bright. Remember, a healthy mouth means a healthy you. Next, we need to wash our hands. Washing your hands helps keep germs away and makes sure you stay healthy. It's especially important to wash your hands before eating, after using the restroom, and after playing outside. Eating healthy foods gives us energy and helps us grow strong. Healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies working well. They help us stay focused and do well in school, support our immune system to fight off illnesses, and keep our skin, hair, and nails looking great. Drinking water is very important. It helps keep our bodies hydrated and makes us feel good. Water helps our brains stay sharp and focused, supports our muscles and joints so we can move easily, and keeps our skin glowing and healthy. Exercise is fun and helps our bodies stay strong. Let's see some fun ways to get exercise every day. Exercising helps our heart stay healthy and makes our muscles and bones strong. It gives us energy and helps us sleep better at night. Getting enough sleep helps us feel rested and ready for the day. Let's learn about good sleep habits. A good night's sleep helps our bodies grow and heal. It boosts our memory and helps us learn new things. Sleep keeps our hearts healthy and supports our immune system to fight off illnesses. Great job learning about healthy habits. Remember to brush your teeth, wash your hands, eat healthy, drink water, exercise, and get good sleep. See you next time.